Do you remember that feeling of wonder, the amazement you experience in front of the beauty and power of nature? We search for that beauty in movement or in stillness. We breathe it in and we let it inspire us. This is Alexander Semenov, an underwater photographer and marine biologist. He finds beauty underneath the waves and wants to unveil an unexplored world full of strange creatures, to discover what lies below the surface of our ocean and makes life possible above it. At Skin of Nature, we create clothes that have a message to share. We celebrate the beauty of nature, and we love the way it fits on us, just like a second skin.